Hey, everybody, this is Sully with 5 freaking onion rings, and I'm here because I'm an idiot. I purchased a Canon EOS-M 2 from Korea, I think, and purchased a lens adapter at the same time. The problem being the EOS-M 2 came, and I'm still waiting on my lens adapter. So, 3D printer to the rescue. And I just wanted to show you how this works. I'm actually pretty happy with it, but I will say you have to shoot wide open. This is an EFS to EOS-M, so there's no way to control your aperture, so you have to shoot wide open and it's manual focus. But hey, there's a sample at the end. If you like this, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll talk at you later.